Hello, here's Stanley. How many times have you seen strategies that promise instant results but fail to deliver? Today I want to show you how I use two proven indicators, the Fractal KS bands and the MACD. This is neither magic nor quick fixes, but real trading practice that requires attention and patience. So, I have $8,900 in my account, and I'm going to demonstrate how I analyze the market using these tools. Everything will be real, no promises of instant profits, just an honest process. And if you are interested in how to work effectively with indicators, please subscribe and like, and let's get started. First, let's set up the tools for work. And if you need a promo code for a bonus to your deposit, I'll leave it in the description. So I choose classic candles and the time frame is 1 minute. Let's go to the Indicators tab and select the Fractal KS bands and the MACD. Let's set up the Fractal KS bands indicator first, set the period to 3 and save. Let's set up the MACD then, set signal period to 5, set slow period to 10, and set fast period to 5. And next we go to style and turn off histogram, and set the width of the MACD and the signal to 2, and save. So the indicators are ready to go, and if you are trading on your phones, set them up the same way. First situation, the expiry time is 3 minutes, and I'm opening a long trade for $2,000. Now I'll explain in detail how to use this strategy most efficiently. Look, the first signal appears when the candles cross the lower border of the Fractal KS bands indicator from bottom to top. This indicates that the price has left the downward zone and started to move upward, which is the first visual sign of a change in market direction. Such a signal often heralds the beginning of a new trend phase and draws attention to the potential start of an upward movement. And the second confirming signal comes from the MACD indicator. We see its green line crossing the red line from bottom to top. This is a clear confirmation of a change in direction and a strengthening of the upward momentum. When these two signals appear almost simultaneously, it creates a favorable technical configuration and increases the likelihood that the trend has indeed begun to reverse upward. It is precisely these coordinated signals that form the basis for analysis within this strategy. Yes, the first trade ended in profit and I earned $1,840. So let's move on. Friends, I'm gonna give you a rare opportunity to master the art of trading under my mentorship, and all this without any investment. If you want to copy my signals and trade shoulder to shoulder with me, here's what you need to do. Carefully study the description below this video, click the link and join our community, and send me a private message with the phrase "ready to join the team." And you'll receive some practical recommendations which will help you to steadily increase your capital from $50 to $600 every day. And time is a factor. There are only 7 spots left to fill. Please click the link down below and write to me "ready to join the team" so you don't miss this chance. There's a clear signal. The expiry time is 3 minutes. And I'm opening a short trade for $2,000. The chart shows excellent and confident movement, and the indicator signals fully confirm the current situation. Everything's going according to the strategy. And if you analyze the chart carefully, you can see that by this moment there's been a prolonged upward movement. The candles moved upward in a characteristic sequence, but gradually began to lose strength. And now a new phase is clearly forming on the chart. The candles have changed direction and a downward movement has begun. And this is important because it signals the exhaustion of the upward momentum. The energy of growth has weakened and now the downward trend is coming to the fore. This market behavior is a typical scenario of a phase change. After a prolonged rise, a correction or reversal occurs. Confirmation from the indicators at this point reinforces the confidence that downward pressure is now prevailing. And all this points to a high probability of the downward movement continuing. Excellent! Everything worked out exactly as planned, resulting in a profit of $1,840. So I'll continue. I see a good opportunity. The expiration time is 3 minutes, and I'm opening a short trade for $2,000. All conditions are met, the chart is behaving predictably and fully complies with the strategy parameters. At this stage, the formation of red impulse candles is clearly visible. This is not a random fluctuation, but a sign of strong downward pressure on the market. Such candles appear when there is a significant amount of downward energy, and at such a moment, it's especially important that the chart shows no sign of slowing down or correction. This indicates a continuation of the trend and reinforces confidence in the chosen direction. Such momentum is an excellent additional factor, especially if it's supported by stable indicator readings. When the technical picture develops in this way, the probability of a positive outcome increases significantly and the market moves with high predictability. And friends, if you still have questions after watching this video, be sure to write to me in private on Telegram and I'll be happy to help you. Excellent result. The balance increased by $1,840. Let's move on. Here's another strong market situation. The expiry time is 3 minutes. And I'm opening a long trade for $2,000. The chart shows a confident upward movement and the indicators only confirm this. Everything's perfect for acting according to the strategy. Remember the main thing, the key to success in this approach is the clear synchronization of signals. Don't rush and react to the first indicator that starts giving a signal. If other technical analysis tools do not yet confirm this direction, there's a high probability that the signal will turn out to be false or simply premature. The best thing you can do is be patient and wait for the full picture. True reliability comes when all indicators give the same signal at the same time. That's when a truly high-quality opportunity for action arises. This strategy is not about impulsive moves, it's about accuracy, calculation, and a well-thought-out algorithm. Following this rule not only increases the percentage of successful decisions, but also makes the process itself much calmer and more confident. Great! A profit of $1,840. Now the balance is already $16,260. So, it's time to sum up the results. That was an excellent trading session. My balance grew from $8,900 to $16,260. The strategy proved itself very well. Friends, if you have any questions about the methodology itself or want to understand it more deeply, feel free to write to me on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. Well, thanks for watching, liking and subscribing to the channel. My name's Stanley. See you soon and happy trading!